Welcome to the Morris Garage here at Haynes Motor Museum. We have 11 cars in this exhibition and they range from the rare and show-stopping to the simple and quaint. And we're going to go take a closer look at one of those now. This is the 1955 Morris Minor and I've been given exclusive access to sit in this today. Now this certainly isn't known for its speed. It takes about 52 seconds for it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour and its top speed is only 63 miles per hour. But 1.3 million of these were manufactured from 1948 to 1971 and you may know its car designer who is Alec Azagonis, and he is best known for designing the Mini. So Morris Motors was founded by a gentleman called William Morris. Now he wanted to attempt to create the British version of the Ford Model T, and so the first Morris car was born, the two-seater Morris Oxford Light. So this is a pretty special year for Morris Minor as it celebrates 75 years since it first rolled off the production line and launched at the 1948 Earls Court Motor Show. Now, as we celebrate 75 years, you may be wondering, are Morris Minors still on the road? And the answer is a resounding yes. There are many Morris Minors on the road that have been lovingly maintained and cherished by their owners. So next time you're at the museum, be sure to come on down and visit the Morris Garage.